Virginia Tech's $600,000 robot, a game-changer for independence in cooking. In a groundbreaking development, engineers at Virginia Tech have created a robotic arm that can make pizza, offering new hope for millions with disabilities. This innovative robot combines rigid mechanics with soft, adaptable grippers to handle delicate and heavy objects alike, from spreading dough to placing toppings with precision. The implications are profound. By empowering individuals with mobility impairments to perform complex daily tasks, this technology could revolutionize independent living. Funded by over $600,000 from the National Science Foundation, the project aims to seamlessly integrate assistive robots into users' lives. The team's vision extends beyond pizza making to a future where robots can help with any task, from cooking meals to assembling desserts. This advancement signals a new era of possibilities for assistive technology. But here's where it gets controversial. Some argue that relying on robots for personal assistance could reduce human interaction and lead to a loss of jobs for caregivers. Others counter that the benefits of increased independence far outweigh these concerns. What do you think? Could robots like this be the key to unlocking greater autonomy for people with disabilities? Or do they pose unforeseen risks? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Robotic hand makes pizza and empowers people with disabilities. Virginia Tech innovation. Imagine a world where making a pizza is not just a culinary delight, but a significant step towards independence for individuals with mobility challenges. This is the groundbreaking vision brought to life by engineers at Virginia Tech, who have developed an innovative robotic hand that merges rigid mechanics with soft, adaptable adhesives. This unique combination allows the robotic hand to grasp both delicate and heavy items with ease. Updated July 29th, 2025, 03:43 p.m. EST. Just 4 days ago, Maya Keeley skillfully guided a robotic arm as it crafted a pizza, responding to joystick commands. For many, tasks like chopping vegetables, opening jars, or plating food are mundane. However, for those with mobility impairments, these everyday actions can become daunting and exhausting challenges. Recognizing this gap, the team at Virginia Tech has engineered a robotic system that simplifies the intricate and personal process of pizza making. Their latest research highlights a robotic arm equipped with adaptive grippers capable of handling a wide range of objects, from hefty jugs to fragile ingredients. With over $600,000 in funding from the National Science Foundation, this project aims to empower individuals with disabilities, enabling them to perform daily tasks with increased autonomy. Dylan Losey, an associate professor of mechanical engineering, emphasizes, "Our philosophy is that if you're going to provide someone with a robot that can help them, it needs to have a connection to the way a person performs the same task. This makes the actions of the robot more an extension of a person's natural movements." The fusion of soft and strong. Robots often face difficulties when tasks demand flexibility. For instance, a tool designed to grip a ketchup bottle may struggle with something as simple as picking up grated cheese. During initial tests of the robotic arm on an ice cream sundae, the team encountered challenges. Sprinkles and marshmallows proved to be particularly tricky. One of the reasons it was tough is that traditionally, robots pinch things, Losey explained. This method works well for larger, solid items, but fails with irregular or delicate ones. To address this issue, the researchers ingeniously combined rigid structural components with soft materials at the fingertips. They utilized switchable adhesives, which create a strong grip when slightly deflated and release when inflated again. Michael Bartlett, who co-led the project, noted, "They can be strong and adhesive to pick things up, but they can also be readily turned off to release the object." This innovative design enabled the robot to successfully complete the sundae task, including the delicate handling of sprinkles. Teaching robots to understand. With dessert successfully tackled, the next challenge was dinner. Assembling a pizza posed a much greater test. lifting a metal pan, spreading soft dough, layering sauce, and adding various toppings like pepperoni and olives. Having the robot arm and gripper collaborate with a person to assemble a pizza really challenged every aspect of our system, Bartlett stated. The diverse textures, shapes, and sizes of pizza ingredients made the task highly personal, requiring precise coordination between the human and the robot. To facilitate this, the researchers introduced a joystick-style controller, reminiscent of a video game controller. The robot utilized artificial intelligence, AI, to interpret human inputs, intelligently completing the remaining tasks. Graduate students Maya Keeley and Yenhee Kim played crucial roles in refining this coordination system. The robot successfully crafted a pizza, complete with crust, sauce, and toppings, in perfect harmony with its human partner. In the long run, we would love to create robots that could pick up any sort of object, Losey expressed. If you are someone who needs a robot to assist you in your daily tasks, it would be fantastic if that robot could help you prepare lunch or assemble that sundae you've been craving. This remarkable study has been published in the journal Soft Robotics, showcasing the potential of robotics to enhance the quality of life for individuals with disabilities. About the author, Amir Khallam is a seasoned tech journalist with a wealth of experience at Exhibit Magazine, Republic World, and PR Newswire. His passion for technology and science drives him to explore the latest innovations and their impact on industries, lifestyles, and the future of humanity. Robotic chef assistant for people with mobility impairments. Meal prep made easy. Imagine a world where robots can prepare meals for you with the same care and precision as human hands. That's exactly what engineers have developed, a robotic system designed to assist individuals with mobility impairments in performing everyday tasks like cutting and chopping vegetables. This innovative technology features an arm equipped with an adaptive gripper capable of handling objects of all sizes and textures delicately. It's perfect for managing fragile items, baked goods, or other sensitive food products. Dylan Losey, Associate Professor of Mechanical Engineering, emphasizes the importance of creating robots that mimic human actions. It's not enough to just build functional robotic systems. The systems need to be user-friendly and intuitive, he says. But here's where it gets really interesting. The team recently programmed the robot to receive commands from a joystick. By incorporating artificial intelligence, AI, the robot can interpret these commands, understand the user's intentions, and utilize data to complete the task at hand. And this is the part that might spark some controversy. Losey envisions a future where robots can grasp any type of object, regardless of its size, texture, or composition. If you are someone who needs a robot to help you with your daily tasks, it would be great if that robot could help you prepare lunch or whatever you want, he says. What do you think? Should robots be developed to perform tasks traditionally done by humans, or is this a step too far? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below.